What is information hierarchy and note-taking? Imagine trying to find your favorite song in a huge playlist. If everything is jumbled together, it takes longer to find what you need. The same idea applies to taking notes. When you organize your notes well, it makes studying easier and faster. Information hierarchy and note-taking is about arranging your notes so that the most important ideas stand out. It's like building a ladder where the top rung is the main idea. Below that, you add subpoints or details that support the main idea. These smaller points are indented or listed with bullet points to show they are connected but less important. For example, if you are taking notes on a science lesson about plants, you might start with the main idea: plants need sunlight. Underneath, you add subpoints like photosynthesis occurs in leaves and sunlight helps plants grow. These subpoints are indented or listed under the main idea to show they support it. One popular way to organize notes this way is called the outline method. You write main topics as headings, then indent subtopics underneath. Supporting facts or examples go even further under the subtopics. This makes your notes look like a clear map of ideas. Using this system helps you focus during class because you decide what the main ideas are. It also makes reviewing easier because you can quickly scan your notes and find the key points. When you prepare for tests, this organization saves time since you don't have to sift through random notes. For teenagers working toward high school success, applying information hierarchy helps keep notes clear and simple. It prevents feeling overwhelmed by too much information at once. It also helps you see how ideas connect, making understanding easier. When reviewing, you can easily spot the main ideas and their supporting details. This approach also trains your brain to think about what's most important. Over time, you get better at picking out main ideas and supporting details naturally. That skill is useful not just in school but later in college and your career. So, in simple words, information hierarchy and note-taking is about organizing your notes so that the most important ideas are easy to find. Supporting details are grouped underneath, creating a clear structure. This makes studying more effective and helps you build strong academic habits.